Today I'm bringing you egg muffins 3 ways that you could also convert into waffles. So we made this lentil batter made with moong dal, which is split and skinned mung beans. And then we made some egg muffins. So I rinsed them at least twice to get all of that starch off of the lentils, as well as some of the, the dirt and the flavor. And then I soaked them overnight. Blend all of these lentils with some cashews, water. That's got blended into a nice smooth mixture. We're gonna make pizza egg muffins. Mushrooms in, red pepper, some tomatoes, olives, oregano, basil, add some cheese, pepper flakes. And that's our pizza one. Fold in some everything bagel. Scoops of your cream cheese, green onion as well. And that's that. So I threw in some red pepper in the bagel stuff as well. And we're gonna bake these. We're making a spiced oil, that's the tadka for our Indian spiced egg muffins. Add your curry leaves and your green chilies. Don't forget to add some salt and some baking powder. Then add in the peppers, some green onion, and our spiced oil. Lightly fold all of that in, and now we're gonna put this in our muffin liners. And these are done. I mean, look at how gorgeous they look. They rose nicely, they're set, nothing fell. It's like soft and fluffy and amazing. This one is hearty with our bagel.
If you don't want to make egg muffins, you can make waffles. It's much faster and they're crispy and amazing. Waffle it. Crispy. Look how pretty that is. Dunk it in your favorite sauce.
Do comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, amazing vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.